Hello there, wonderful audience. We're so glad to have you join us here at the Tech Lab YouTube channel. In this brief video, I'll demonstrate a quick and easy method to shut down your desktop or laptop with just a single click. And the best part? We'll create this handy file together, step by step. Instead of going through boring instructions, I'll directly show you how to do it. So, let's jump right in and enjoy this simple yet efficient way to shut down your computer with just one click. Let's get started with creating this super handy shortcut. First, right-click your mouse cursor on the desktop. Then, click on New and select Shortcut from the menu. Now, in the box that pops up, simply type the straightforward command Shutdown T00 and hit the Next button. Next up, give your shortcut an appropriate name. For the demo, let's name it Shutdown_demo, but feel free to pick any name you like. Now, click on Finish and voila, it's done. If you're feeling fancy, you can even change the shortcut's icon. To do this, just right-click on the shortcut, click on Properties, and then hit the Change Icon button. You might see a little message, but don't worry. Simply click OK, and then select your desired icon. Click OK once more, and that's it. Your shortcut file to Shutdown is all set up. Now, all you have to do is double-click the file, and your system will shut down immediately. But wait, don't forget to save your work before clicking the file to avoid losing anything important. Happy computing! Now, let me explain the command so you can understand how it works. Shutdown is the command used to shut down or restart the computer. S is a switch that stands for shutdown and specifies the shutdown type. When you add this option, the operating system will perform a complete shutdown and turn off the power, not just a standby or hibernation mode. Adding S to the shutdown command will make the computer shut down immediately without any delay or warning messages. This is useful for quickly turning off the computer when you don't want to wait for a normal shutdown. However, keep in mind that any unsaved work will be lost, so be sure to save your work before using this command. T is another switch used to specify the time interval before the shutdown occurs. Here, T00 sets the time interval to 0 seconds, resulting in an immediate shutdown. So, when you enter Shutdown T00 in the command prompt or the Run dialog box in Windows, the computer will initiate an immediate shutdown without any delay or warning messages. Remember to save your work before using this command to avoid losing any data. So if you found this concise and valuable tutorial video helpful, kindly leave your thoughts in the comments section. Additionally, please remember to give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Coming soon, web scraping with Python real-world examples for static and dynamic websites.